Welcome to the assembly guide for your Superior Aluminum Level Residential Railing Kit. In this video, we'll walk you through each step of how to build your kit to ensure a seamless assembly for your new railing. First, let's take a look at all the materials included in your kit. Each railing kit includes a top rail, bottom rail, screw covers, bundle of pickets, and bracket hardware kit containing brackets and screws. 8-foot level railing kits will also include an extended picket base, and an extra 3/4 inch screw. Before you begin, you will always want to have with you a drill with a Phillips head, 5/16 hex head, and 1/4 inch drill bit, a rubber mallet, a tape measure, and a paper and pencil may also be helpful. If you're going to cut your rail before installing it, you will also need a chop saw to cut with. Remember to always wear safety glasses and optionally wear ear protection while assembling your railing. In this video, we will show you how to attach your railing to 2 railing posts. Posts are the most common way to install your railing and may be purchased separately from your railing kit. Attaching your railing to a wall or column follows a very similar process to the posts. For more information on those methods, visit superiораluminum.com. Let's begin by removing the screw covers that come inserted into the top and bottom rails. Once removed, you can set these aside for the time being. At this point, if you need to cut down your railing based on the measurement of your installation area, you can measure and cut the railing, being mindful to maintain even picket spacing on both ends. Any cuts made to the top rail should also be made to the bottom rail and the screw covers. First, lay out the top rail and start inserting the pickets and screws. Do not tighten the screws yet. If you are assembling an 8-foot kit, your kit will come with an extended picket. This picket should be aligned in the middle of your rail section with 10 pickets to the left and right of the extended picket. Repeat the process with the bottom rail by inserting the pickets into the openings on the bottom rail, working left to right. You may need to use a rubber mallet to ensure that the bottom rail holes and the picket holes are properly aligned to allow for screws. Secure the pickets by tightening the screws into both the top and bottom rails with the drill, starting with the top rail. Finally, slide the screw covers up to conceal the screws. Once both screw covers are in place, your railing section is now assembled. Now we will show you how to secure your railing by attaching it to a post. You also may attach your railing to an existing structure such as a wall or column. The process is very similar with a few small differences. To begin, measure 3 1/8 inches above the top of the post base and mark your post with a pencil. When mounting to existing structures, you will want to use 3 5/8 inches to mark your post for your bracket. Align the bottom of the bottom bracket with the mark and attach it to the railing using 2 self-drilling screws. Ensure that the bracket is on the side of the post perpendicular to the post holes. Slide the top bracket into one end of the top rail. Then slide the bottom bracket from the post into the bottom rail. Mark the hole locations on the post using the top bracket as a guide, then remove the rail from the bracket. Now, mount the top bracket to the marked spot on the post, once again using the provided self-tapping screws. Slide the post with brackets back onto the rail and fasten the brackets to the rails using 2 more self-drilling screws. It will be easier if this is done on the side of the rail where the screw covers were slid on. Screw in the top bracket on this post, then repeat the entire process on the other post, and you've completed your assembly. Once your railing section is fully assembled, all that's left to do is mount it to your structure. Because of differences in structures and local building codes, Superior does not provide specific instructions on how to do this. Please see the instruction manual for more details.